In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create one-click subscribe links on Beehiiv so you can make it easier for people to join your newsletter with just a single tap or click. This is a simple but powerful way to boost signups from emails, social media, landing pages, and anywhere else you share your content. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Grow. This is where Beehiiv keeps its audience growth tools, and it's the section you'll use to create your subscribe link. After that, click on Magic Links. This feature is designed to create a direct subscribe experience, which makes it much easier for new readers to sign up without going through a long process. Now you'll see the option to choose an email platform or use Beehiiv default. If you're just starting out, the Beehiiv default option is usually the easiest choice, but you can also select the platform that matches your setup. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and generate your magic link. Beehiiv will create a unique link that is tied to your newsletter subscription flow. After the link is generated, copy it so you can use it wherever you want. You can paste this link into emails, add it to your social media bios, place it on landing pages, or include it in posts where you want to drive newsletter signups. The whole point is to make subscribing as effortless as possible for your audience. Once you've copied the link, share it with your audience and start using it in the places where people are most likely to click. If you have an email list, this can be a great way to turn readers into subscribers faster. If you're posting on social media, it gives people a direct action to take right away. And if you're building a landing page, it can help you reduce friction and increase conversions. Before you finish, there's one more important step. Test the link using a new email address. This helps make sure the magic link works properly and that the subscription flow is behaving the way you expect. Testing is important because it confirms that new users can subscribe smoothly without any issues. And that's it. You've now created one-click subscribe links on Beehiiv and you're ready to start sharing them with your audience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials that save you time and make your workflow easier.